In India, 1.5 million daily scans are handled by just 20,000 radiologists. That's one specialist for every 100,000 people.
Under that pressure, I desperately need an AI co-pilot to help draft reports. But it has to be highly accurate, and my hospital won't approve standard cloud-based AI.
Exactly. Sending sensitive patient imaging data outside our firewall is a massive regulatory risk. We need intelligence, but it must be strictly on-premise.
That's why we built pairnotes. Powered by Google's MedGemma, we bring the AI directly inside the hospital. Radiologists verify confidence-coded drafts locally, and our federated learning engine securely updates the global model without ever exposing patient data. Secure, collaborative, continuously learning. Let's see pairnotes in action.
The workflow begins with secure login, supporting both standard credentials and Google authentication, ensuring controlled access for every authorized user. Radiologists simply upload imaging files such as DICOM scans or zip archives, and the system supports optional clinical metadata to provide additional context for analysis. Behind the scenes, the platform securely parses the imaging data, encrypts patient identifiers, and performs real-time AI analysis to extract meaningful clinical insights from the scans. Processed cases appear in an intelligent triage dashboard, where each study is clearly marked by AI confidence indicators. Green signals high confidence for faster review. Red flags lower confidence cases that require closer validation. And reject identifies files that could not be processed properly. When a case is opened, radiologists review the scan alongside the AI-generated findings and can approve the result, reject it with a reason, or approve and move to the next case, ensuring the final decision always remains with the clinician. Behind the scenes, the platform continues to improve through secure federated learning, while patient data always stays within the hospital environment. To see pairnotes in action, schedule a live demo through our website calendar at pairnotes.rbg.ai. For platform access or any inquiries, you can also reach us at pairnotes@rbg.ai.